Do you think the compliance report is tough? And hiring a compliance officer is expensive, and no one expert can master 15+ frameworks at once. That's why NewQuip brings you Assure 360, your AI-powered compliance and governance partner. Just sign in, upload your file, and go to the compliance check section. Choose from more than 15 global frameworks. Select your file and click on Run Compliance. In seconds, NewQuip runs a full compliance analysis. No delays, no extra cost. Now download your compliance report, ready to share. Your report is structured and detailed, including methodology, classification, executive summary, findings, governance gaps, and a clear conclusion. This is how NewQuip is revolutionizing the compliance reporting process. Smarter, faster, and accessible to everyone.